Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I share my profit and loss for Friday's trading session. The trades that you are looking at were actually placed on the morning of Friday, 30 June 2023 at around 6:30 a.m. South African time. I woke up to a somewhat weak US dollar, which meant I could take advantage on some pairs that looked like they were likely to move. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy, so watch them after watching this video. For everything else, see the description box below. Getting back to our video, since it was a Friday, I was not exactly 100% that the US dollar index showed weakness or a temporary reversal. But in any case, it's a situation that you could take advantage of, especially if you love trading dollar pairs like me. Please also note that I am a swing trader and am prepared to hold trades for days or several hours. That is why I end up with huge amounts. I try to maximize the entire move. After initially deciding to removing part of my trades, I ended up deciding to cut my trades drastically as we are going into the weekend. Thank you for watching.